what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. What is with all the school supplies? I'll tell you what's up with it. Bike night, this Thursday night at the Lake Dallas VFW. We are with Six Skulls MC with a back-to-school drive. This is what this bike night is all about. They've held quite a few of them already. This one, we're helping them out, and we're heading to the Lake Dallas Post 10460 VFW in Lake Dallas, located at 501 Thompson Drive. Come on out and join us. Bring your school supplies. This is what this bike night is all about, is giving school supplies to our local kids. So again, this is something that Six Skulls is passionate about. We're passionate about it. We're going to help them. We want to help you. We've got live music going on. It's the last day to register for Rolling Sturgis to Milwaukee. Come on out and join us. Pick up school supplies. Bring bags and bags and bags. We will see you then. Bike night starts at 6 o'clock.